I challenged myself to make a 3D game, and this is how it went. Well, here we go again, Unity. Let's go. And boom, there we go, a platform that we can start building from. And now it was time to create a player. Perfect. Oh, and it turns out you have to create these things called materials in 3D to color an object. In 2D, you can just change it by the inspector. And now after setting up the player properly, everything is going to plan. Perfect. Now, all I had to do was create the movement script. And look at that, my character is working perfectly as intended. First try, nothing wrong. Bro, they haven't seen this part. Jimmy, why did you add this? And about 5 years later, I've got the character moving around perfectly. Look at that, he moves, he jumps. Chef's kiss. Oh what, there's a short intermission where I do a time lapse and I beg you to subscribe because I need validation, so subscribe, I dare you. And now the game is looking fantastic, but it is kind of missing something, which is the ability to turn around and move the camera. So after I coded for a couple hours, I managed to get this funny looking camera movement thingy. But the camera angle was kind of limiting, so I spent a long time looking through the code, editing it, copying and pasting the AI's script, and I've got something that looks pretty cool. But to be fair, I wasn't really satisfied with that angle, so I actually put the camera at the front. But there was a few problems. I couldn't look up and down, and I could look through blocks sometimes. But as Master Oogway once said, if it broke, fix it, or something. So I got my best friend Bob to redo the whole code. And look at this! I'm actually pretty proud of the result that came out. Also, it didn't take too long because, you know, AI. But after all the hype died down, I decided to test trial the project and see what needed to be done next. And I realized the collisions on my player was a little scuffed. So I turned this cube to a bean. And I don't know if this is just me, but this bean seems kinda terrifying, not gonna lie. I don't know. Or is it just cursed? Not really sure. Leave a comment on your thoughts. Okay, I was just messing around at this point, but I did notice this field of view variable. And so I decided to check it out, and whoa, that's actually like so cool. Then after all that, I decided to make some progress and actually add a coin that you can collect. Well, not yet. Huh? This is actually confusing me. Oh, I forgot to add the script, you clown. Now it works just like a charm. Oh, and look at that, I made a map. You like it? Yeah, I built it off camera. But don't worry, there is a clip of me making some lasers. Huh? What? Why is the map empty? Oh wait, Unity just pulled a middle finger at me? Oh, I see. I have to restart the entire map again? Oh look, the map's all finished again. How'd that happen? I don't know. Anyhow, here's a random clip of me running into a laser. Okay, let's slow down. The project's taken about a day and a half at this point. And to be fair, I'm pretty proud of it. But the next thing I wanted to try was something that I've never tried before. And that is making music for the Unity game. So yeah, that's the music. Hopefully you like it. I'm not too sure. I don't know much about music. But not only I added that music, I added a sound effect every time you collect that coin, which I'm also pretty proud of. Also, something else that I'm actually pretty happy I worked on is making multiple levels. I've never done this before, so this was pretty cool. And alongside the new level, I created a new mechanic which was using doors. So I had to collect an item to open the door. And this is how it turned out. And after finishing the second level, I decided to tweak a few things and call it a wrap. And that's that. I made my first 3D game in Unity, and to be fair, I am so proud of the project. I tried out so many new mechanics, learned a lot of things, and if you're like me, new to coding, I encourage you to do the same thing as well. Make a lot of projects, make a lot of prototypes, learn, and make sure you have fun. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and have a good day. Bye!